Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. A very important topic is going on, that is the topic of profit and loss. And I am trying to simplify the concepts for you, giving you short tricks which will be helpful in cracking the quantitative aptitude profit and loss questions. It is one of the topics where a lot of statement problems is there, rather everything is a statement problem because this is an application based topic. And more often than not, students are dependent on huge formulas, big calculations, and that is why they suffer a lot. But I tell you what, the topic is not all about like huge calculations. You can actually solve this very easily if you know some of the basic things in this chapter. So let's understand one of the topics. Here we have a topic where we have to find the cost price. What is given to us? We are given the selling price and profit or loss percent. So if something is sold at say 2000 rupees and the shopkeeper suffers a profit of 5% or a loss of 10%, what was the cost price of the item? That's the nature of the question which we are going to do in a single step. And this topic is actually from chapter number 2 of volume 2 of our amazing books of quantitative aptitude, and all these tricks, they come in the ebook form also. So if you want a PDF version, very nominal costing PDF version, then go for that. Send me a message on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is 9896369963. All these details are contained in the description of this video as well. So friends, let's take up this amazing concept from the shortest tricks for profit and loss chapter. First of all, let's understand the concept, let's understand the trick, and then we will come to the application part. So, to understand the concept used in the trick, we will first assume that there is a selling price which is given to us. This is SP which is given. There is a profit percent or loss percent which is given to us. These are the two things which are given. And we have to find the cost price, CP. Now the first thing is, profit percent normally is taken as positive and loss percent normally is taken as negative. So when I say 100 plus profit percent, plus is because there is profit, and when I say 100 minus loss percent, it is because loss is in negative. So ultimately the formula which we can remember is 100 plus profit or loss percent, but loss percent will always be taken as negative. This is one basic thing in profit and loss chapter, right? So to calculate the cost price, just divide the selling price by 100 plus profit percent or minus loss percent. See, either of these two you have to do according to what is given in the question, and you will see how wonderfully the trick works and how wonderfully you can actually get the answer of the question directly. So let's go into the application part. The first question, there is a table which is sold. So sold means this is selling price SP and profit, so this is profit percent. So if we have to find the cost price, just divide 7425 which is the selling price by 100. Now because this is profit percent, I will add 25. The profit percent is 25. So I will have to just do, because I have to do percent, remember it is percentage, so 7425 upon 125. Now this is not going to give me the cost price, but whatever comes in here, I will have to reduce it to percentage form by multiplying it by 100. Now this is one important thing, multiplication by 100 to get the required CP, right? So if you see here, this will come out to be say 100, this is 4 times and this is exactly 5 times, and 5 cancels this, 5 ones are 5, 24 means 4, 42 means 8 and 25 means 5. So this actually gives me 1485 times 4, which gives me rupees, 4 5s are 20, 0 2, 8 4s are 32, 34, 4 3, 4 4s are 16, 3 19, 9 1 and 5 5940. This is the cost price of the item. So if cost price is 5940 and there is a profit of 25%, it will be sold at 7425. Now you can check using the traditional approach, and checking is very easy. Just find 25% of this and add it to this, you will get 7425, right? So let's apply the concept here to understand better. Sold for this, so this is SP, and profit of 16%, so this is profit percent. So cost price will be 6400 upon 100 plus 16, so 116, and multiply that by 100 to get to the answer. Now this is all about calculation, so I don't think there should be any problem in solving this. Here some of the zeros, no zeros are getting cancelled, only some like 58 times, and this is 32 times, 3200, this is 29 times, and this is 1600 times. So you just have to do one calculation, 1600 times 100 upon 29, and you will get the final answer for the question. So probably this will come out to be 5517.24. 5517.24. Look at the selling price, it is 6400, so obviously there is profit. Now the calculation is only a last division, that's it, nothing else. So let's see some more questions here. Let's take loss. Here we have loss. So this is SP and this is loss percent, and to find the cost price you will have to do 24750, which is the selling price, divide by 100 minus 12.5, and to reduce that to CP we'll just multiply by 100. So this will give me 24750 times 100 upon, this is 87.5, and now there is one basic calculation which you have to do and get me the answer, and probably I have calculated the answer already for you so that we can save time. This is 28285.71, 28285.71. Look at the cost price. Cost price is more than the selling price. See, selling price was only 24,750. Cost price is 28285. So obviously there has to be loss, right? Okay, another one. This is SP and this is gain or profit percentage. So the cost price in this case will be 360,000 upon 100 plus this 115 times 100, and this is the calculation which you have to do to get to the answer. I've already done it for you. This comes out to be rupees 313043.47. So see, selling price is much greater than this, therefore there is profit percent. So this is how you become smarter. This is how you have to calculate basic operations. Adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing has to be really good. Okay, so we have lots and lots of courses on our Learning Loop app, which is written here. You can search on Google Play Store Learning Loop Suresh, and you will get the first link. So save that, and some of the very basic courses of Vedic maths are there on that Learning Loop app, through which you can learn this skill. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all your friends so that they can also take advantage of these amazing methods. Do subscribe to our channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, and do not forget to click the bell shaped icon so that you can keep on getting all the notifications of future uploads on this amazing channel. So I hope you have watched the video and you are ready to put in hours and hours of practice. That is what is required to actually apply these tricks in the competitive exam. So friends, practice 30-40 questions and let me know, is it working for you? All the best.